Let us talk about geography and climate as well as soils in Argentina. First of all, it is important to know that there are very few, if not none, steep slope viticultural areas in Argentina. Vineyards in Argentina are generally planted on the flatlands, on the broad valleys, on the foothills of the Andes. So we have a strong climatic influence of the mountain range, the Andes. We have the influence of high altitude, and we can rather talk of a climate that is very continental rather than maritime. Specific for Argentina is that vineyards are planted in very, very dry areas. So without irrigation, viticulture would not be possible in Argentina. Nowadays, all modern vineyards are equipped with drip irrigation, where each plant can be supplied with the sufficient amount of water. Traditionally, there used to be a lot of flood irrigation in Argentina. And on the picture, we can see a flooded vineyard. This is for irrigation purposes, but had advantages that unwanted insects drowned in the water, but had the disadvantage that a lot of diseases are also brought with the humid environment of flood irrigating. Regarding soils, it has to be mentioned that soils are like high altitude deserts. They are very, very dry. They consist of sandy, but also rocky and clayey soils, but they're very dry. Irrigation is a must in the high altitude desert climate. Without irrigation, no viticulture nor horticulture would be possible on these soils and in these climates. Depending on the specific zone, vineyards are on 2,000 to 3,000 meters of altitude. And when we come to Salta, where we find probably the highest located vineyard on Earth, we talk about even 3,000 to 4,000 meters in altitude.